We are going to review top 5 best heavy-duty ratchet straps. List number 1. AUGO Ratchet Tie-Down Straps. Soft, easy grip Ratchet heads pull the straps taut, securing gear of all shop PS and CZS. Rubber-coated S-hooks with secure safety lock. Wrangle any size bundle without SC Ratchet Hingme at T8 Surface ES. Straps offer maximum security and superior strength TH for reassess free Ratchet heating. List number 2. EVEREST Premium Ratchet Tie-Down. Thousands of satisfied customers trust EVEREST for their cargo control needs. Great for all your heavy-duty needs. Premium material to keep straps from breaking. EVEREST is a nationally recognized brand in the cargo control industry. Heavy-duty DJ hook. Weather-resistant. Designed for heavy-duty commercial user. Heavy-duty aluminum handle. List number 3. 2 quick and easy auto-retract strap cargo tie-downs. There is the best-kept secret of the industry is these innovative quick and easy auto-retract no-Ratchet heating ratchet straps. What problem solvers? What time savers? Just reassess the RED but T on to retract until it's tight and secure. No ratcheting needed. We'll say it again. These self-contained compact straps are no-Ratchet heating ratchet straps. Yup, you just hit lucky. Welcome to Relaxed Trucker's universe. Join the smart and happy craze. You work hard enough and life's short enough. List number 4. ARTIPOLY Ratchet Straps Heavy Duty. Ergonomic design helps save your energy and time. Strong steel structure brings peace to your mind. Each S-hook with safety clip provides secured support when transporting your vehicles. Coated hooks prevent your car from scratching. Heavy-duty webbing and stitching features good-looking and durable. Heavy-duty soft loops provides an efficient supplement for your equipment. Can be used at any occasion when need to transport your vehicles via car. List number 5. SMARTSTRAPS 10-foot ratchet straps. Excellent for the added security required during longer travel distances. SMARTSTRAPS 10-foot ratchet straps are ideal for cargo like large appliances, motorcycles, and boats, hauled in a large pickup or medium-sized trailer. With a brake strength of 3,000 ohms and safe workload of 1,000 ohms, you can trust these straps to secure your load. Super strong non-marring coated steel S-hooks help you avoid damage to your vehicle while offering added safety. And abrasion-resistant webbing manufactured with SmartWeb TM technology protects your cargo.